Welcome back everyone. In this video tutorial we will find multiple matches in MS Excel. If we are using index match or VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP function that is used to find just a single match for us. For example, we want to find the cells of Salim name. Okay, the name which is Salim, we want to find the cells for that. So it will just return one cells. Okay, because here we have 3 or 4 times the Salim name. So how to return multiple matches? It means for this one, for all Salim we want to return the cells of that. If we use VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, so it will return just the first one, the first return, but we want to return all cells for Salim name. Salim is 3-4 times repeated in this name column. So to return that multiple matches, for that we will use a filter function. So let's do it. So here in cells area I will write equal to filter, press tab. After filter function, now array, it means that the array that you want to find. So we want to find the cells, so we will select the cells column. So after selecting the cells column, now press comma. After that include. So now we will select the name column equal to this name column equal to with Salim. Okay, with this one. So let's just select with Salim because we want to find the Salim. If we want to change this name, so we can change it later. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. So it will find the cells for Salim. It means 3 times it has repeated. First time and second time and also the third time. 3 times it has repeated. So we found the cells for that. So now let's change this name. For example, we want to change this to Kalim. Press enter. So the values has been changed, okay, to Kalim values. Now let's, for example, sometimes we want to return the product and sales, both of them for this name. So for that again we will use the filter function equal to filter. One thing that I should mention that the filter is just available in Excel 365 or online Excel, okay, that you use. So it means that the latest versions. And now the array, in the array we will select now these two, okay, the product and sales. Let's select these two columns. After selecting these two columns, comma, then we will select now the name column, and name column is equal to, okay, equal to, look at the formula bar, with this one, okay, J2 with this name. Close parenthesis and press enter. So it will return the values for Kalim, which is mouse, keyboard and uniform. Kalim, mouse, keyboard and uniform that we have, and these are the values, the cells for that. So let's change this name, for example, to Arif. So it will return that for us. If we want to just let's change this name also to Arif, press enter. So we will have now 4 values. Okay, here this has updated and also this is updated. So it is how we can return multiple matches in MS Excel using filter function. So if you learned this, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.